Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Davey. Guys, after a long awaited process, finally we are finishing our garden shed roof here. Guys, we still don't have the money to do this, but winter is fast approaching and we need to get this thing sealed up, closed off. Right now I just got this tarp on there. So I'm gonna go to the hardware store. I'm gonna buy our galvanized corrugated metal, and that's gonna be our roofing. Then guys, as you can see right here, we're gonna pour concrete in this channel, which will seal up the shed, but also allow water to not sit here. So this is gonna be poured the concrete. We're gonna cut a hole, a channel through here, which will allow the water to build up and then just go down this little alleyway here. So that's what I'm gonna do, guys. Come with me to Home Depot to go check out some galvanized metal, and then we're gonna be doing this roof on Sunday. Okay guys, I just left Home Depot. I didn't film it because when I got there, they didn't have the material that I needed exactly. So my roof requires no less than 9 feet per sheet. They only have 8-foot sheets. So that would mean that I would have to buy 2 sheets per section, meaning that I would have a seam on my roof, a horizontal seam on my roof. Plus it would cost me way more because I gotta buy basically an extra couple sheets to make up the difference. I don't like that. So I Googled it and I found that Rona has 10 footers. And it will actually save me about $200 if I buy them from Rona. So I'm heading over to Rona right now to go check it out. Unfortunately, I have to go into another city to get them, but totally worth it. I'm gonna head there now and I'm gonna take you guys in the store with me, so stay with me. Okay guys, so that's exactly what I'm looking for here. I'm gonna pick up 4 of these sheets here, load them up to the truck, take them home, and then I'm gonna go put these on the roof. Okay guys, got our roofing, put a little flag in here out of a grocery bag, and we are going to take on off home. Okay guys, like I said earlier in this video, we will be pouring concrete into this channel all the way to the end. And that is just to prevent water from coming up against our shed. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this so that the water goes down here. So the first thing I need to do is, this is our old guardrail. I'm gonna cut these down a lot shorter so they don't protrude through the concrete. But I'm gonna keep them because they make good anchors. And then I'm going to try and cut this channel. Okay guys, so the channel is cut. Not perfect, pretty good. So I'm gonna vacuum this all up and then we'll be ready to put our forms here. We gotta put a form and a form just so that the concrete doesn't spill out into the driveway. Okay guys, so stay tuned for part 2 of this video. This will be the final video for the shed build, the final product, all done. We will see you on that video.